Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. This short video is going to show you how to make a simple pinned mandrel. This is important for my next video, which is going to require such a mandrel. I'm going to start by cutting apart a toilet paper roll. I'm going to grab two corks, which in my case are about the same length as the roll. I'm going to use the roll to wrap around them then tape my makeshift mandrel together here at the seam. In my case, I'm just going to go around and around. So, this is the base for my pinned mandrel. So after forming the body, I'm going to grab some pins. I don't actually like this style of a pin, simply because these heads really like to fall off when you pull on them. T-style pins are much better. In my case, I'm going to be doing a 4-pin mandrel, so 4 pins at the top, 4 at the bottom, for a total of 8 pins. Try to line them up here, maybe using a ruler. So, something like this. 4 pins on one side, 4 on the other. So guys, a simple pinned mandrel, which we're going to use in my next video. For now, thank you for joining me and see ya in the next video.